Hey everyone, if you're thinking about shifting from Windows to Linux in 2026, the first thing you'll notice is that there are a lot of distributions to choose from. Names like Linux Mint, Ubuntu, MX Linux, and a few others come up almost immediately. Now, Linux Mint is often considered one of the best choices for beginners. And honestly, that reputation is well deserved. It's stable, familiar, and very easy to use, but lately, there's another name that keeps popping up more and more in conversations about beginner friendly Linux, and that name is Pop OS. So the question is, could Pop OS actually be one of the best Linux distros for beginners right now? Pop OS is an Ubuntu based distribution created by System 76, the company that also builds Linux powered laptops and desktops. In December 2025, they released Pop OS 24.04 LTS, and the big headline feature was their brand new desktop environment called Cosmic. Unlike many Linux desktops that are built using older technologies, Cosmic is written in Rust, which helps it feel extremely fast and responsive. System 76 designed it to be modern, clean, and productivity focused right out of the box. And that leads us to the first big reason beginners are starting to notice. Pop OS installation is incredibly simple. You download the ISO, create a bootable USB, and follow a few straightforward steps. The installer is clean, fast, and usually finishes in under 10 minutes. You don't have to hunt for drivers or configure a bunch of complicated options. The second big advantage is hardware support, especially for NVIDIA graphics cards. If you've ever tried installing Linux with an NVIDIA GPU before, you probably know it can sometimes be a bit frustrating, but Pop OS offers a special ISO that already includes NVIDIA drivers. That means when you install the system, your graphics card just works, no terminal commands, no manual driver setup. And that makes a huge difference for gamers, creators, and laptop users. Now let's talk about the Cosmic desktop itself. Cosmic is designed to feel smooth and productive. One of the standout features is its built in tiling window management. When you drag a window around, it snaps neatly into place, making multitasking incredibly easy. You can quickly organize multiple apps on screen without installing extra tools or extensions. Workspaces feel natural, the interface is clean, and the Cosmic Store makes installing apps simple, almost like using an app store on your phone. Under the hood, Pop OS is still based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, which means you get rock solid stability, a massive software library, and 5 years of updates. For beginners coming from Windows, that reliability is really important. But let's be honest for a moment, Pop OS isn't perfect for every beginner. Because Cosmic is still relatively new, you might occasionally run into small bugs or quirks. Nothing major, but it's still evolving. Also, if you want a desktop that looks almost exactly like Windows, something like Linux Mint or Zorin OS might feel more familiar at first. Pop OS leans more toward a modern workflow rather than copying the Windows layout. So, could Pop OS be the best Linux distro for beginners in 2026? Honestly, it's definitely one of the strongest contenders. It's fast, modern, easy to install, and has fantastic hardware support with almost zero setup friction. For gamers, students, developers, or anyone switching from Windows, Pop OS 24.04 with Cosmic is a really compelling option. If you're curious, you can download the ISO and try it for free. And I'm curious about your experience too. Have you tried Pop OS yet? What Linux distro are you using in 2026? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Linux beginner guides, and I'll see you in the next one.